What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another Motorhead episode. We hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving, but now it's time to get back to work. Today, we are actually going to go ahead and finish up the framework on our BMW M3, and basically all we have to do is grind down all the welds and paint the underside of the engine bay. We have to paint the engine bay. So we're going to grind everything down and throw a little bit of glazing putty on the welds, sand it down, prime it, paint it, and start getting that motor back in there. So let's get started. So to sand down all these welds, we are going to use our 3M belt sander. So we are going to run down to CarQuest and get us a box of sanding belts, and it will do the job beautifully. Did y'all hear that? Did you hear what he said?
Yeah.
Hold him to that. He said half of mine.
Half of mine, so not a full mine.
You know he bet me $1,000 that his 4 Series is faster than my Turbo S 2000.
Any day. Any day.
Hey, that turbo kit's gonna make $1,000 back the first day of driving.
That car will never run.
I condone this action.
That car is.
Hey, you hear that? It'll be running this video.
Oh yeah.
Injectors are coming.
Injectors are coming in today, sir. Yes, they are.
They got pipes coming out the hood.
So we put a final coat of glaze on it. We're gonna sand it down, get it primed. It's looking good.
Yes, sir. It looks very good. I love it.
You know what just came in, bro?
What?
The strut bar.
Nah. Where's it at?
UPS just dropped it off.
It's over here. It's some weird taping.
It's cool they have a tape with their name on it, though.
Yeah, they could have taped it like. They could have put it in a box, honestly, like not just.
They're cheaping out, man.
This is like when you know that the box is not big enough for whatever you're shipping, so you make the box big enough for whatever you are shipping. All right, boomerang.
Boomerang. Yo, launch that thing at the McLaren.
You think it'll come back if I launch it?
Yeah.
Yo, how am I supposed to unpackage this without scratching it? See, I don't want to scratch this sucker, you know what I'm saying? I'd rather cut my...
Alright, so Yuri has purchased a very expensive boomerang.
One of the most expensive boomerangs in the world. I will show you guys how it works. So basically, we are going to launch it in the direction of V-Tune. It is going to circle around the M5, go above his head. It's going to lightly tap him, go around the burnt M3, swoop in, circle around the McLaren, and I'm going to catch it.
Alright, let's see it in action.
Nah, I don't want to show off. But guys, I am super happy with this. Like, I paid a lot of money for this, and the thing about these pieces right here is this is the only one that I could find on the internet that did not have some sort of damage on it. And I did have to pay a lot of money for it. So,
but look how pristine it is.
It's absolutely pristine. It's perfect. Like when I put this on that car and you open the hood, you see this, you're gonna know that it was done right, you know?
Yeah.
You're not gonna see nothing. It's perfect. It's
Yo,
like it's literally brand new. If I clean it up, it will look brand new.
For sure. Yo, look behind you. You know what that is right there?
Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna open these up as well. All right, so here we have some custom.
So remember V-Team said earlier in this video that the S2000 will not run?
Well, we're about to prove him wrong with a custom set of injectors.
Yes, sir. Let's check them out. Ooh, very nice. That right there, sir, is a Graham's 1000cc injector.
Very nice.
With a pigtail to wire it in.
So we can get the S2000 running today.
Yup.
And then maybe go pick up the other ones.
Yup. We'll see. We need to go ahead and get back on that BMW, get it done.
Yeah, the strut bar got a sidetrack.
we got it all cleaned off. We got some primer. Now we're gonna go ahead and start throwing down some primer. Alright, so it's the next day here, and the primer is nice and dry. We went ahead and scuffed it up. And Yuri went and got this 3M seam sealer. And it's supposed to dry in 30 minutes, and then we can paint over it. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything seamed up. That way we can paint this engine bay in. Because once we get it painted in, we can start putting it all together and see if the motor runs. So let's go ahead and get this done.
So our seam sealer is dry now, and Mark is going to go ahead and drop the first coat of base. Hopefully everything goes good with this, and we'll be ready to drop this thing off the frame. Alright, so Mark got this thing painted. It looks good. What do you think, Ben?
Looks really good. Everything is nice and painted in. All
Yes,
the body
sir.
work we did is spectacular. And that seam came out pretty good too.
Yes, sir. Looks factory original.
Yep.
Very
Well,
nice.
the factory doesn't even put seam sealer there, but we did it.
Yeah.
We're just going the extra step, you know? Make
Now
it
we
right.
just need to put that motor in here, you know? Well, the K-frame. What do you guys think? Are we going to do the motor and K-frame together?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
I say we do everything, get the motor completely ready to go back in and just hoist
Just-
it up.
Hoist it in
Slip
there.
it up under there.
I mean, it should just start half a click.
Half a click. You guys hear that? V2 said half a click. I think it's not even gonna click. It's just
I
gonna
forgot
fire
to
right
paint
up.
the fenders and the hood hinges.
Yeah, we're
No,
gonna do
we
that
didn't
separate.
forget. We just got lazy.
Makes sense.
No, here's the plan. Mark came up with a great idea. We're going to get this motor back in as soon as possible and get it running. Make sure the car runs before focusing on all the cosmetics, because that's what we really want. We want the car running.
Yeah.
Even if it doesn't run, I'm gonna want to fix the powertrain before I start finishing the body. So that's a great idea.
Yeah, because
That's
if you
what
get
we're
it all
gonna
ready
do.
for paint, motor's bad, and then it ends up getting damaged or something from sitting.
Yeah, and if I have to do stuff around it, I'm going to want the front end to be off of it, you know? So just the motor in, it's running, then we'll throw on the cooling system, front end, trim everything out, paint it, get it on the road.
Take it up the road without
And then we
no
can
fenders.
dust that McLaren out there.
Yeah.
Never.
I don't even think you can keep up with my STK, bro. You talking about the McLaren?
Bro, it will
You talking about the McLaren.
it will eat your S2K up, bro.
Y'all
Look at
hearing
these
that,
frame
guys?
rails.
Yeah, he just said his car will eat the S2000.
It will.
I don't believe
100%. Look at these frame rails.
Yeah,
Slick,
I painted
smooth.
them. What you don't know is I painted them with grease, so you'll be slipping out there.
That's right. I
Oh,
need
it
that.
looks really good.
Aerodynamics. You know what I mean? Yeah, it looks really good.
Yeah. It's almost ready.
It would definitely stomp your McLaren if I was in here.
On Flintstone power.
Flintstone power.
Yeah, maybe with the upgraded turbo. Single turbo?
Single turbo, what do you guys think? A single turbo kit?
I think you should. Dude, single turbo will make it sound like the B58 on steroids.
Maybe we need to do some merch. That way it can pay for it.
Max.
That's a good idea.
Some M3 merch.
Yeah, some M3 merch.
Let us know if y'all would buy it.
Yes. Drop in the comments below if you will buy Motorhead M3 merch, F80 merch. We need to come. We need a design. See, that's our issue. We don't really have a design. Maybe somebody can come up with some designs
Yeah,
or
because
something.
we need to stop wearing V2s.
We gotta stop
merch.
repping this right here. This is
They
not.
took
He's
all
not
my
paying
merch
for
and
it.
ruined
He's not
it
paying
all.
for the
He's
free
not paying us.
advertisement.
He's not giving us any kind of
I
promotion.
do got the Motorhead driver's on though.
Yeah,
They're pretty nice.
Those are nice. Yeah, but that's it. I think that's it.
That is.
Yup. Tomorrow or Monday we'll get the K-frame on it.
Dang, put everything on. You got
Roll it
pretty much
off.
everything.
Dad's been asking about the frame rack when it's going to be available.
And I need the frame rack too, because I got an F250 to pull.
Whose?
Ford. Bob's.
Oh, for real? He got another one?
Yeah, I got to replace an apron for him.
Not bad.
So get it off. Get it off. I'm going to start taking it off right now.
It must be light if you call it B2.
Yup.
Oh, it's alright. No, it looks good though. I mean, that's it. That's pretty much everything in the front.
Looks good. All right, let's wrap it up. Let's go. Let's go home. All right, guys, so that is going to be it for this video. In the next video, we're going to get the motor in here and get the front end together and get this thing done. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and if you don't already, go follow us on Instagram at motorhead.co. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.